Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by shutting the water off to the sink, hot and cold valves under the cabinet. Once done, turn off power to any disposal, unplug or flip the breaker so you don't risk a shock. Place a bucket under the P-trap and open the faucet to relieve pressure. This collects residual water. Next, remove items from the cabinet and pull back insulation so you can reach fittings. Make sure to keep towels handy for drips and protect the countertop edge. You now work on the plumbing. Loosen the slip nuts on the P-trap and let the water drain into your bucket. Check for debris while you're there. After that, use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the supply lines. Make sure to cap or plug them to prevent drips. Then, reach up and remove the mounting clips or brackets holding the sink to the countertop. Support the sink from above as you loosen the last fasteners, because once released it will shift and may fall. You're at the final steps. Score and cut the caulk bead around the sink rim with a utility knife so the sink separates cleanly from the countertop. Then, lift the sink straight up, have a helper if it's large, and set it aside. Inspect the countertop cutout and the tailpiece, flange, and gaskets. Replace damaged parts and apply plumber's putty or a new bead of sealant when reinstalling. If you see a persistent leak, tighten mounting hardware evenly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.